All right, so we recently installed, about a year ago, we installed the Roadmaster Comfort Rise system. We just came back from the Hershey RV show. We talked to Roadmaster, told him how much we love this system. It has made a huge difference in the ride of our RV and how it pulls. If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up here. But after talking to them, they said if you want to extend that ride, even make it better, go talk to these guys at Centramatic who were at the RV show. And we did just that. All right, so first question I have to ask is, why don't they balance RV ST tires? I don't understand why they're not balanced. So Centramatic is basically a wheel balancer. If you can listen close, oh, it stuck to me. It stuck to my magnet. Let me get that back on, sorry, but hopefully you can hear inside here. So inside here, there are beadlets that as you drive, those beadlets will go to the low side of the tire or the side that is out of balance, and it will balance your tire. So we got a set of 4 of these from Centramatic. We are not sponsored. We bought these at the show, and we're going to install them today. A couple of the things that Centramatic pointed out that these will do for your tires. One, they will cool your tires. They will run cooler because they will be balanced.
This is out of weight, run it all the way up, vibration. With our demonstrator balancer on there, go ahead and run it right back up the same way. So as you pick up snow, ice, scrub off rubber, you lose.
Also, they will extend the life of your tires. Now, by 25% is what they say. It may not work here because these tires are 2 years old. We got about 30+ thousand miles on them. They probably will not extend these tires much more, but they said on new tires you'll see a difference. Then the other point they made to us is that it will reduce vibration on the tires as well. Now they do make these for your tow vehicle, depending on your tow vehicle. They make them for dualies, they make them for, but it has to be like a Super Duty, a heavy duty truck, not the 1500s. But we plan on putting these on the truck as well to see if it helps with fuel economy, with maybe driver fatigue. They did point all that stuff out to us when you put it on your truck. But for now, we got them for the camper. Let's get them installed. We got these at the Hershey RV show at the show price of $200. Normally they're $245. So they were $199.99 at the show. So we saved 45 bucks. But we ordered them at the show and they were here within 3 days of ordering them. So really fast shipping. The guys were very knowledgeable. So we're going to see how this works. All right, so really it's as simple as removing your tire, line these up with the studs, place them on your studs, and put your tire back on. All right, so one of the things they ask you to do is check to see if your tires are out of rounds. Now, how do you do that? So we're just using a broom handle. So I lay it down on the floor. When I spin my tire, if that tire moves in and out real hard, that means it's out of round. As you can see, it's not moving in and out, so it is in round. Either I'm getting older or these are getting heavier. One of the two. And those things are wearing really, really well. So we installed all the Centramatic plates. Now the final step is to torque my tires. Torque them to your specs for your manufacturer. My wrench is set at 115 for the spec, so let's get busy. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being part of those who glamp together. Very easy install. I know I'm out of breath. It's getting hot. Very easy install and just aids in the life of your camper. Happy glamping.